Hello everyone, welcome to African Note Food. I hope everybody is well. Today we are making rice, a spicy rice, broken rice with vermicelle. Vermicelle is small pasta, like noodles, that are broken into small pieces that we're going to mix our rice with. And here we have our goat meat here. And also we have olives, we have black peppercorn, and then we have salt, we have bell pepper, green one, onion, Scotch bonnets, bay leaf, and here we have chopped onion, garlic, jalapeno, and bell pepper, green one, and one Scotch bonnet that we're going to blend to do our stew with. So I'm going to add this into my mini chopper. The pepper, onion, and garlic, and the Scotch bonnet as well. So I'm going to chop the whole thing up. I'm adding also the black peppercorn and also salt, so half a teaspoon of salt into it, and I'm going to blend them together. I've blended my mixture here, so I'm going to use this one for the meat after. So first we are going to fry the vermicelle first, yeah, for a couple of minutes to get a bit golden brown, and then we take it out. So you see, here we have fried our vermicelle for about 2 minutes now. So we're just going to take them out, or if you want, you can leave it for a bit, it get a bit darker than this. It's up to you. And if you cannot find the vermicelle as well, you can use spaghetti. Yeah? Spaghetti does the job as well. So I'm going to remove it now, and we start doing now. I'm going to add the goat, sorry, it's not goat meat, it's lamb, sorry, it's lamb. But you can use goat meat as well, or fish, or chicken. So I'm going to fry this for about 10 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes. Okay. So 1 teaspoon of salt on the meat, like that. Mix it nicely. Then you can add your marinade blend here. Some there. Put some there, and I'm going to mix it together. Oh, it smells good. Oh wow, it smells beautiful. Nice. So I'm going to leave it to cook for 10 minutes. Like I say, 15 minutes. I did first 5 minutes. Now I'm leaving it for 10 minutes, and then so after the 10 minutes, this is how the meat look like. Now I'm going to add the chopped onion and the diced pepper as well, bell pepper, and there together. And I'm going to add also my bay leaf in there. And I'm going to leave it to cook encore again for about 5 minutes, and add water into it, and we can start making our rice. So I'm adding my olives in there, mix. It smells so nice. Oh my goodness. Then water. I have about 2 cups of water here. I'm going to add this into rice, and the rest of the marinade sauce in there as well. Okay. Oh, and now we're going to add also my beef stock. Yeah, I need 1 teaspoon of beef stock in there. That's it. It's all that we need. Mix encore again. Leave it for boil for about 5 minutes, and then I'll add the rice. I have washed my broken rice nicely. I washed it about 4 times. Now I'll put it in my container here. I'm going to microwave it. Put it in the microwave for 5 minutes to steam the rice a bit. And then this is the rice. It's out from the microwave. Now I'm going to add it into the mix with the meat. So I'm mixing them together in there. And for the broken rice, if you cannot find broken rice, you can use normal rice, normal jasmine rice, or broken basmati rice as well, or basmati rice. You can use. I'm going to mix them together. We're mixing it together. We're going to close it and leave it to cook for 20 minutes on it. Yeah. So it has been 15 minutes, so I'm going to add the vermicelle that I toasted earlier. Toasted or fried. Saute. Voila. And we're going to mix this in it. Mix it nicely. Like I said, you can use spaghetti if you have. You can't find these vermicelle, but here in England you can find it. When you go to Sainsbury's, they sell it. They call it, I think, vermicella or something. It's Italian. They have an Italian name. That you can buy from there and use it. Okay, so we have mixing the vermicelle with the rice. I'm going to cover this and leave it for another 5 minutes, and it'll be ready. So this is how our rice is beautifully done, and it smells nice and beautiful as well, and it tastes delicious, very nice. So I hope this was helpful to you, and I hope you will come back again. Thank you. Please give us a thumbs up, like, share, subscribe, and then we'll see you soon. Bye.